Got a good one for you guys today. Received a package from PUN CUBE. Very unmarked box, but we have an open here. We're gonna open it up. I'm gonna show you what comes inside. I think you guys are gonna like this one. Especially people who like fidget spinners or clickety-clackety noises, and who like carrying wallets. You're gonna love this one. Okay, we'll open it up. We have our Mech Wallet. In case you guys don't know yet what's inside. Boom, Mech Wallet, model 8807. Let's open it up. I'm gonna show you what this is. I've been waiting a long time to get one of these. Gonna pop it open, nice presentation. A little information, front and back. It's a modular system, so you can put a money clip, you can put a bifold attachment, billfold attachment, whatever you want to call it. You can also get a mount that would attach to the back of your MagSafe smartphone. Here's what it looks like. Aircraft grade aluminum. Clickety click. No screws. It has ball bearings buried inside. That gives you that nice, smooth one-hand opening function. You can hold up to 5 or 6 credit cards, depending if you have the thin cards or you got the one with the raised lettering on it. You have in here a hardware kit. Comes with a screwdriver, fine tip screwdriver. And on the back of here, we have our money clip. They say you can reuse this tape once you stick it off. All you gotta do is wash it and use it again. It will go on the back of your wallet, like so, after you peel it off. So once you put it in, I'd rather you just do it once and be done with it. Have it perfectly centered. See what's in this little box over here. Here's your bifold or billfold. I don't know how you guys say it. Everyone says it different. I'm gonna show you how I set it up. This is also a RFID blocker. So if you have credit cards with chips on there or RFIDs, once you put it in here, they ain't no one gonna hack your card or steal any of your information, okay? So let me get this set up. I'm gonna show you how to install your money clip in case you wanna use that. I always used on my old wallet a money clip to hold more cards in here with no issue. So let me show you how to do that again. I'm gonna take off our adhesive. That's what it looks like. Center it as good as possible. Pretty much centered right there. Firmly press it down. Like so. Boom. Has nice solid hold on that money clip. I'm gonna take my extra cards that I have that don't fit inside. Here's how I have it. My rarely used cards I keep in there. Okay. I don't carry cash that much, so we're gonna use it for that. Boom. There's the rest of the ones that I use frequently, the more important ones with credit cards and RFIDs. We're gonna keep that inside, and the junk ones basically outside. It's hard to work behind the camera, so I'm gonna just put it right in here, face down, so we don't get scratched up. You'll take your billfold, we're gonna line it up like so. Get your screwdriver and your tiny Phillip head screw. I'm gonna put it through here. It's hard to see on camera, I know. I'm gonna try to catch the first screw. It's not that bad. Gently screw that one in, not tight yet. We're gonna do the same thing with the other side. And once we have it in, you got nothing to worry about. As long as you don't drop this micro screw, you're good to go. I've never seen no one install this on YouTube. So if you haven't seen it done before, here we go. Just screw it in. A little snug on this side. We go to this side. Tighten it down. A little tighter. You don't want to strip it. Go back to this side. Tighten it down. Boom. Once this thing is closed, your credit card will not be falling out. You could put one credit card in here, which I'm gonna test, lock it down and see if I can shake it out. Got a credit card substitute. Let's see if it fits on this side first. Also just shove it right into here. Holds your credit card, driver's license, ID, whatever you need. Nice, it doesn't even slide out easy. Pull it out, we'll open it up. We'll put it in the first spot, closest to the U. We'll close it down, push it in. You see the card is all the way in. It's not sticking out. We're gonna shake it. If you shake it like that, you might get some movement, but it's still holding there very tight. So I doubt anyone, if you're gonna be walking and this thing pops out like so. Cause I'm really shaking that thing and it's not really coming out. Maybe not even 1/4 of an inch. That's one card. Pop it out open like that and the card presents itself. Okay. They have inside, which I won't be able to show you, but they have a rubberized on one side, this side, and on the bottom to help hold that card in there firmly into place. Here's a couple credit cards. I'm gonna put this one in next, behind it. Another one in next, behind it. These don't have any raised lettering, so I have what in here, 3, 4. Push it in. That's what it looks like. See how it presents itself in a fan orientation. So you pick whatever card you need. I need this one. Boom, pull it out. When you're done, close it, push it back in. This is so satisfying right here. Feels good doing that, okay? Like I said, you can also order this with a MagSafe backing instead of the billfold or bifold, which would just turn the back piece into a magnetic thing. And you could attach to the back of your phone or any other accessories that use MagSafe. That's my new wallet that I'm gonna be daily carrying. This is what I used to use. I'm not a fan of leather wallets, big bulky wallets. I don't carry much, but this is how I used to run. Long time I had this wallet. I would say 2012, I had this wallet and it never failed me, but the new champ is in town right here. Mech Wallet by PUN CUBE. Go to their website. They have many different options, different finishes on the outside. They got a ripple one that looks like a little wave to it. Mech, they got flat ones with no ridges at all. They have 3 different openings. This is the one that clicks the most, like a fidget spinner. It's cool to play with. When someone asks for a credit card, they're gonna say, what the hell is that when you open it? In the video description, I have a link where you can purchase your own. Questions, comment, leave them below. I get back to everyone. Hope that video helped you. If it did, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, spread the word, the more the merrier. Take care, fellas. Peace.